All right, so today we're going to dive into something pretty special. It's a new ecosystem called SuitePlus, and it's all about a massive idea, taking entrepreneurs in Rwanda from what they call digital poverty and putting them on a path to digital profit.
But first, let me ask you something, especially if you're running a business. Does this sound familiar? You post your amazing products on your WhatsApp status, the sales start rolling in, and then, poof, 24 hours later, it's all gone. Your entire storefront just vanishes. You have to start all over again the next day. It's an exhausting cycle, right? Well, this exact problem is a piece of a much bigger puzzle, which the folks at KITECH call digital poverty. And look, this isn't about not having internet. It's about not having a permanent, professional home online, a central hub that's actually yours, one that doesn't just disappear into thin air every day. So, how do we break that cycle? Well, the entire solution is built around this really powerful concept they call the digital blueprint.
Now, a blueprint is not just another website builder. You got to think of it less like an empty canvas and more like the actual architectural plan for a house. It's a digital framework that's already been set up, specifically for your industry to solve a very specific problem that you deal with constantly.
And this slide just lays it out perfectly. On the one hand, you've got your generic website builders, a totally blank page where it's up to you to figure everything out from scratch. But on the other hand, you have the SuitePlus blueprint. It's a specialized framework that hands you the tools and the structure your industry actually needs, right from day one. And the best part? The whole journey into this ecosystem starts with this incredibly powerful foundation that costs you absolutely nothing. Yep, this free foundation is called the BrandHub Bio blueprint. This is the starting line, the entry point for every single professional out there, no matter what you do. Think of it as your new digital home base. Its purpose is simple: to finally get all your links, your portfolio, your contact info, all of it, into one single professional spot. You get your own unique subdomain, that's yourname.bh.rw, and you can build it all with a super easy no-code editor that works right on your phone. And here's the most important part. It costs zero. It's forever free. So there's absolutely no barrier to you owning your own digital identity. But look, having a digital identity is really just the beginning. Let's talk about how this whole ecosystem is designed to scale right along with your business. Okay, so once you've got your BrandHub Bio set up and you're ready to start selling products online in a more permanent way, you just add the next layer on top, the catalog blueprint. This blueprint is built to solve that exact WhatsApp status problem we were talking about earlier. It gives you a permanent mobile store where your products are always listed, customers can browse whenever they want and send orders that pop up directly in your WhatsApp. And as a huge bonus, you automatically get listed on catalog.rw, which is a discovery platform to help brand new customers find you. And it doesn't stop there. The ecosystem is growing to include these highly specialized blueprints for all kinds of different sectors. I mean, just imagine, tools for doctors to manage patient bookings, or for tour guides in Muzanze to handle their schedules. Each one is a totally unique framework for a unique industry. Now, this is where things get really, really interesting. Because this entire digital infrastructure is being built as we speak, there's this unique, one-time-only chance to get in on the ground floor. And this quote from KITECH, it just says everything. They're not looking for passive users to just test out a product. No, they are actively recruiting what they call shapers, pioneers who are going to help build digital future for their own industries. And they are looking for a very, very specific number of people. Just 50. That's it. This isn't some mass market launch. It's a tight, focused, collaborative program for the first 50 people who are truly ready to build. So what does it even mean to be a shaper? It means your real-world business headaches, your day-to-day problems, that feedback will directly define how these digital tools get built. You literally become a co-creator of the very infrastructure your entire sector could be using for years. And the benefits for these 50 pioneers are just incredible. First, lifetime access. Think about that. Every single blueprint KITECH ever develops for healthcare, tourism, commerce, you name it, you get it for free, forever. You also get to test out new features before anyone else. And most importantly, you have a direct line of influence to shape the entire future of the platform. Okay, so if you're listening to this and thinking, that's me, the process to throw your hat in the ring is incredibly simple. And it all starts with that foundation we talked about. Here are the exact steps. Step 1, you head over to the website and you claim your free BrandHub Bio. Step 2, you use the simple editor to get it set up with your links and your info. Step 3, and this is the key. The moment your bio page is live online, you are officially a candidate for the hashtag First 50 program. That's it. From that point on, you'll be on the priority list to collaborate. So that really just leaves us with one final thought. This is so much more than just a set of tools. It's a mission to build a country's digital infrastructure from the ground up, and it's being led by the very people it's designed to serve. The only question left is, will you be one of the ones to help shape it?